Well, I think tropical storm Debbie's starting to like come our way or something. We got rain, pretty heavy. We've been having some wind. You see that tree up there? They've been kind of gushing those trees back and forth, swishing around. And yeah. But, and we're here in North Carolina, so with the foothills, but yeah. It's just so far rain and wind. Oh, I just heard a tree go back there. I don't know whether it's going to get any worse here or not, but I heard a tree go though. We got some big trees back here. Woo! Mercy. Yeah. Boy, that one. Kind of a worrisome one. That one right there.